What's going on, my friends? I'm Chef Brother Luck. I'm the owner of 4 by Brother Luck and Lucky Dumpling here in Colorado Springs. Today we're gonna be talking about mayonnaise, Japanese mayonnaise. We're talking about Kewpie mayonnaise. I'm gonna be working with a grilled cheese. So first steps, we're gonna caramelize these onions. Now we've also got some garlic. We're gonna throw them in there. This is a cold pan. Now that's an important piece because we're gonna start the caramelization process. I've got a little bit of grapeseed oil and I'm gonna let those slowly break down. So that's the first process of this. What we're doing is we're making the spread. And the spread is gonna be caramelized onions, caramelized garlic, a little bit of cheddar, the Kewpie mayonnaise, a little bit of goat cheese, cream cheese, and cilantro and cumin. When we're making the spread, you can utilize a food processor, you could utilize a KitchenAid mixer, you could do this by hand. I'm gonna use a food processor because this is nice and fast for me. So I got a nice smooth cheese puree. I'm gonna take this Kewpie mayonnaise. It's gonna give me some sweetness. It's gonna give me some nice texture to it. Now all it's missing is our caramelized onion and our garlic. And voila, we've got our cheese spread. So I've got this beautiful fresh sourdough. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cut some slices. And I like my grilled cheese a little bit thicker. Some nice thick bread. Now the trick to a good grilled cheese is steam. We're gonna start by melting a little bit of butter in the pan. And then we're gonna spread our Kewpie mayonnaise on one side. Now you're thinking mayonnaise on a grilled cheese sounds extremely weird, but in fact, the eggs are going to caramelize really nice, and it's also gonna give you some great fat because that's what it's based on. And I'm also gonna hit it with just a little bit of Parmesan. So we're actually gonna warm the bread up on one side, start the heat process, the steam that's coming through those small holes in that bread from it being risen. Now on top of that, our Kewpie mayonnaise and chipotle goat cheese spread as well. Now I like a little bit more unique flavors in it, so to give it some nice texture, I'm gonna put a little bit of arugula. I'm going to press it and really build me some great caramelization and texture on that side of the bread. I want that mayonnaise to evaporate into that bread. You never knew there was a Kewpie mayonnaise on the outside, but this is one of the chef tricks that we use to get grilled cheese sandwiches perfect. Cheers to you all. Enjoy. Thanks for cooking with me in my kitchen today. How good.